Hello guys, so once again you're all welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, it's a new year with new updates guys. So guys, over here I have here with me a mining platform, a legit long-term mining platform over here. So guys, without wasting your time, let me show you how to basically do everything on this platform. So guys, first of all, you first need to create an account with this platform before you can even perform any tasks over here. So guys, this platform is no more those short platforms that you used to know. This platform is actually a very long-term platform. So it's actually a mining platform and also an investment platform. So guys, without wasting your time, let me show you how to basically register a new account with this platform over here. So first of all, I will sign out my account for you guys to see how to create a new account over here. So let me click on this logout button over here. So I'll just click on the logout button right now. So in order for you to sign up a new account, kindly open my description box, tap on the link below so that you'll be able to redirect it to this page over here and sign up a new account. So for you to sign up a new account, it's just a real quick thing over here. Just click on this register button over here. So once you click on the register button, there will be some options over here for you to fill in your details. So you just type in your nickname over here. So for me, I'm called Crypto Denzel over here. So over here, you type in your email over here. Then you type in your password. Your invitation code is also important. So guys, you need to use my referral link so that you could be able to get an invitation code. So for me, I'm already having an account, so I will just click on this login button. Then I'll type in everything real quick over here. Okay, so guys, let me log in right now over here for you guys to see. So I'll just log in right now. So guys, as you can see over here, it says welcome to Alpha Mining Group. We will help you achieve future economy. Okay, so guys, those things are really not important. So guys, over here the minimum deposit start from $1. Minimum withdrawal amount is just $2, and also in TRX is just 18.5 TRX. Withdrawal fee is just 4%. Mining, we have so many mining machines over here. We have the BTC D66, which the price is $1 to $100. Daily income is 3% for 55 days, guys. Daily income is 3% for 55 days. So assuming maybe you are using $100 to do this tax over here. So let's assume you are using $100. So 3% times this $100, it will give you $3 for 55 days times 55 over here, which gives you $165 over here. $165 over here, guys. $5 over here, which comes with the mining over here. So as you can see over here, I'm currently earning I earn $2 each and every day over here. So if I click on this mining over here, you could see that I'm earning a daily of $2.13 each and every day. $2.13 each and every day. So guys, as you could see over here, for 55 days I'll be earning $2.13 each and every day. So as you can see over here, we have the mining, and we have the investment. So currently I'm running the mining. You can also choose to do the investment, or you can choose to do the mining. So guys, when you click on the strategy over here, we also have the financial one, which comes with you investing for a particular day. So we have the project one. Like I showed you before, we have the project 1, which comes with 7 days, project 2 14 days, project 3 21 days. So you buy it with the minimum investment as I stated earlier in this video. Okay, so guys, for you to deposit over here is just a real quick thing over here. So you have to click on this recharge button over here. So once you click on recharge button over here, you need to copy this TRC 20 address over here. So once you copy it like this and it says copy successfully, you click on this share button over here. Once you click on the share button over here, you could see two options over here, which comes with the basic account and the financial account. So with the basic account over here, once you click on this basic account, it means that you are going to choose the mining plan. With the basic is $75 over here. Okay, so with this mining, you can mine with as low as $1. You can deposit as low as $1, and you'll be mining and you'll be getting 3% each and every day for 55 days, guys. So this platform is actually a cool one. It's a very long-term project. I've confirmed everything. I wouldn't lie to you. This platform is actually a cool project. So we have the basic one over here. So if you want to choose the basic one, you can just click on this recharge completed, then you choose the basic one. And if you want the financial one, like I showed you, which is an investment cycle, and with the cycle 1 is 7 days, cycle 2 is 14 days, cycle 3 is 21 days. So guys, with this financial one too, it goes with an investment, which goes with some investment days. You wait for the days to complete, then you withdraw both the capital and the profit. Okay guys, so that's how actually everything basically work over here. So once you click on this financial and click on recharge completed, that's it. You are done with everything and you'll be credited in what you've chosen. So guys, over here too, if you want to withdraw your profit, it's just a real quick thing. Just click on this withdraw button over here. So once you click on this withdraw button, you could see that there is a withdrawal quantity which says 18.5 to 10,000 to 100,000 over here. Then you paste your Tron or your TRC 20 address wallet over here. Then you type in your password, your withdrawal password over here. Then you click on this share button. Then you withdraw your amount successful. Guys, remember the minimum withdrawal is just $2 over here, which is also 38.18 in TRX. So currently I'm having some balance over here that I need to withdraw. Okay, so I'll perform the withdrawal for you guys to see. So before I'll do that, let me go back to my Binance account. Then I'll copy my wallet address for you guys to see how the withdrawal too is being done. So I'll click on this wallet over here. So once I click on the wallet, my wallet will pop up. So let me click on deposit. Then I'll click on the TRX. So let me click on this TRX. So I'm using the TRC 20. So I copy it. Okay, it says copy to clipboard. So I'll head back to this platform over here. Then I'll just paste the wallet address over here. Okay. Then my password, I just need to confirm my password over here. Okay, let me enter. Okay, my password has been added. Okay, so how much do I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw 38.188 over here. So 38.18 over here. Okay, that's cool. So guys, it says the handling fee for my withdrawal is 1.52 TRX. So I'll be receiving an amount of 36.65 over here. So I'll just click on this share button over here. And once I click on the share button, it says withdrawal successful. So what I'll be waiting for is to wait for my withdrawal to be confirmed. So guys, whilst waiting for my withdrawal to be confirmed, let me show you. As you can see, my balance has reduced from 75 to 71 over here. So which shows that this platform is actually a cool one over here. So whilst I'm waiting for my withdrawal to be confirmed, let me show you how you can actually refer a lot of people to actually get more money over here. So you could see that there are lots over here that you don't even understand. So with the team 1, so once you click on this team, you could see the number of referrals that you have. So currently I'm having a number of a total team of 2 members over here. So you can click on this me button over here, down here. Then you click on your referral link over here. So I click on my referral link over here. So guys, boom, it's in. My withdrawal has been successfully deposited into my account right now. Boom, guys, you could see that my withdrawal is in. So your deposit of 30. Once I've received this message saying that I've confirmed. Okay, so guys, I think it's in. Let me go and refresh. Okay, boom, guys, you could see that Binance has confirmed everything. Okay, guys, you could see that my TRX has increased. So currently I'm having 96.65. Guys, boom. Just now, money has been hitted in my account. Guys, don't wait, don't hesitate. So guys, everything is actually clear over here. You could see that this platform is 100% legit. So you copy your referral link over here. Once you copy your referral link over here, you just have to go back to your social media handles. Guys, you could see that with these social media handles over here, this is my group over here. You just have to share it with your group members so that you could be able to earn a lot from them whenever they sign up and deposit. And I'll head back to my WhatsApp. I'll share it on my WhatsApp. So guys, this is all you basically need to do so that you could be able to earn a lot of cash for yourself. So guys, actually I've showed you how to withdraw, how to perform everything on this platform over here. So guys, don't hesitate, don't wait, just sign up a new account right now, right here. Guys, you could see that I made a deposit on this platform. So my current balance is 71 and I withdrew my amount successfully over here. So guys, I made a total withdrawal of $4 right now, right here. So guys, what are you waiting for? Don't hesitate, just join this platform right here and let us make more money. Thank you once again for joining Crypto Denzel. If you find my videos really amazing, kindly sign up and also benefit from this platform. It's a long-term platform, don't joke with it. Guys, once again, thank you all for watching this video till the end. Once again, hit the like button and subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video. Thank you all once again. Bye.